Hello students, welcome to class 3. Myself Mrs. Kuljit, your SST teacher. Today I am going to teach you chapter number 13, the earth and the solar system. Students, first of all I would like to ask you one question. What do you know about solar system? Yes, solar system consists of the sun and everything that travels around the sun. This includes 8 planets, the moon, satellites, dust and gas. These 8 planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. These all the planets name you can learn easily. One sentence is already given in your book, that is, my very educated mother just served us noodles. With this sentence you can learn easily all the planets name. See the first letter of each word, then you can easily remember all the planets name. So Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system and the Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. So come to the Earth, that is 5th largest planet and very important planet in the solar system. Earth is the only world that has atmosphere, liquid water and life. So next come to the sun. Students, sun is a star found at the center of the solar system. Look at the sun. It is a star that is in the center of the solar system. It is a huge ball of hot gases. It provides us heat and light. Without the sun, life is not possible on the earth. So sun is very important for us. Students, one more thing, all the planets moves around the sun only. So next we will discuss about rotation and revolution. Do you know about rotation and revolution? Yes. The moment suppose it is a earth, north, south, east, west. The movement of the earth on its axis, it is called rotation, and it causes day and night. How it causes day and night? It is called circle of illumination, and it is a sun. Suppose it is a sun. The portion which is getting sunlight directly from the sun, there will be day, and the portion which is in the darkness, there will be night. So the rotation of the earth causes day and night, and it takes 24 hours and make a day. So next is revolution. Yes, the movement of the earth around the sun. Suppose it is a sun and it is our earth. The movement of the earth around the sun, it is called revolution. It takes 365 days and 6 hours and make up a year. So the next point is satellites. Do you know about satellites? Yes, satellites are small objects that around a planet, not around the sun, that moves around the planet only. They can be natural and artificial also. One more thing about the satellites, they do not have their own heat and light. It's very important thing, keep it remember. And moon is the only natural satellite of the earth. Some artificial satellites are sent to the space to collect the information. The next point is stars. Students, at night we see stars. They look very small in the sky. But do you know that they are very big in size? And why they look small? Yes, they are very far from us. That's why they look very small. And about satellite, I have told you that they do not have their own heat and light. But the stars, they have their heat and they have their own heat and light. And the brightest star in the sky, that is called Sirius. And at night when we look at the sky, we see that some stars appear to form patterns. Such patterns are called constellation. So it was the chapter about the earth and the solar system. Hope you all understood. Thank you.